Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson linear equations in a one variable. We were discussing about the worksheet 1 question number 9th, isn't it? Till 8th we have completed already. Now coming to 9th sum, 3 by 4 x plus 1 upon x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 7 by 4. So we have to multiply 4 into the numerator. 4 into 3 by 4x plus 1 is equal to 7 into x plus 1 by 5. Now when you multiply 4 into 3 by 4, it will be 4 gets cancelled. It will be 3x plus 4 ones are 4 is equal to 7 into x 7x plus 7 ones are 7 upon 5. Now 7x minus 3x minus 7x. So you have to take x to the left side. Now 7 by 5 and plus 4, take it to the right, it becomes minus 4. Now 3x minus 7x. So different signs, it will be minus 4x, isn't it? Is equal to the fraction. So take the LCM 5. 7 will be as it is minus 1 5s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So minus 4x is equal to 7 minus 20 will be minus 13. Bada number ka sign minus and 20 minus 7 is 13 upon 5. Now x is equal to minus 13 by 5. Now this minus 4, it will go to the denominator, isn't it? So it will be minus minus plus. In the numerator there is no cutting, so in the numerator it is 13 and in the denominator 5 4s are 20. So you got x is equal to 13 by 20. This is the answer. Now coming to verification, write LHS, it is a 3 by 4x plus 1 upon x plus 1 by 5, isn't it? So now put the values. 3 by 4, x is 13 by 20 within the bracket plus 1 upon x is 13 by 20 plus 1 by 5. Understood? Now coming to here, multiplication is not, the cutting is not there. So just multiply. It will be 13 3s are 39, 24s are 80 plus 1 upon here LCM will be 20, 13 write as it is, 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4. Now take the LCM of this. So LCM is 80. This 39 will be as it is. Now 1 means the denominator is 80. So numerator also becomes 80. Because 80 upon 80 is 1. Now in the denominator 13 plus 4 will be 17 by 20. Now here it is 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 3 will be 11 by 80 divided by 17 upon 20. Now 119 upon 80 into reciprocal. 20 goes to the numerator, 17 goes to the denominator. Now 17 ones are 17, 17 sevens are 119. Check. 7 sevens are 49, 4 in hand, 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 119. Now 20 ones are 24s. That means 7 by 4. Now LHS you got 7 by 4. RHS is 7 by 4. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Correct? So that was question number 9. Now coming to question number 10. It is 3k plus 5 upon 4k minus 3 is equal to 4 by 9. So bracket open, this multiply 9 bracket open 3k plus 5 is equal to 4 into this 4 bracket open 4k minus 3. Now it will be 9 3s are 27k plus 9 5s are 45 is equal to 4 4s are 16k minus 4 3s are 12. Now 27k, this one minus 16k is equal to, this is minus 12, this goes to the right side, minus 45. So 27 minus 16, 7 minus 6, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 11k is equal to, signs are same, minus, add 5 plus 2, 7, and 4 plus 1, 5. So you got k is equal to minus 57 upon 11. Answer, k is equal to minus 57 upon 11. Now verification. LHS, it is a 3k plus 5 upon 4k minus 3. Put the values. It is 3 into minus 57 upon 11 plus 5 upon 4 into minus 57 upon 11 minus 3. Okay. Now there is no cutting. You have to multiply. Minus 3 sevens are 21, 2 in hand. 3 fives are 15, 16, 17. This one will be minus 171 upon 11. Now this is plus 5 upon, here again there is no cutting, 4 into minus 57 minus 4 sevens are 28, 2 in hand, 4 fives are 20 plus 2, 22 upon 11, this is minus 3. Now both, it is a fraction, take the LCM, numerator it will be, denominator, in the numerator denominator is 11. Now minus 171 will be as such, plus 1 11s are 11, 11 5s are 55. Now in the denominator it is 11 LCM minus 228 will be as it is minus 1 11s are 11, 11 3s are 33. Okay, now here the signs are different. You have to subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6. Sign is minus, okay. Bigger number sign minus. 11 minus 5, 6. Now here it is 6 minus 5, 1 and 1 upon 11. Now here same signs add, but the sign is minus. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 in hand. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 and this 2 upon 11. Now division minus 116 upon 11 into the reciprocal minus 11 upon 261. Now 11 ones are 11 ones are. Minus minus becomes plus. Now it is a 116 and 261. So when the numbers, if you get like this, see final answer is 4 by 9. So think how to find out. It should be 4 by 9, isn't it? It is a 29. 4s are 116. So the hint is 116 divided by 4. Try 116 divided by 4. It will be 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 3 remains, 3 and 6, 36, 4 9s are 36. Means this is in 29 table. So now try with the 29 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 18 hand. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That means denominator will be 9s. So which table? 29 4s are 29 9s. So this is the rough work. So whenever you get a bigger number, you don't know the tables, then at the last moment you try like this. So the numerator, whatever is there, divide by 4. See whatever number you get, multiply it with 9, you should get 261. समझ में आया आपको? बड़ा नंबर कोई भी टेबल में नहीं जाता है. इफ इट इज अ प्राइम नंबर, बड़े प्राइम नंबर्स के टेबल्स मालूम नहीं है तो यू हैव टू ट्राई लाइक दिस. सो ऑलरेडी इधर 4 मालूम है तो 116 को 4 से डिवाइड करके देखो 29 आया तो 29 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 9 करो, ये 261 आया तो दैट इज द आंसर. सो 29 4s are 29 9s are. So minus minus becomes plus. Now 4 by 9. That means LHS is equal to 4 by 9. RHS is equal to 4 by 9. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. सब स्टेप सेम करेक्ट है तो एंड में बड़े नंबर रहेगा तो ऐसे सिस्टम में जाने का. इज इट क्लियर? सो दैट वाज अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. इट इज अ डेसिमल. सो 0.5x minus 4 upon 2.4x plus 6 is equal to minus 5 by 3. So this 3 into this, 3 into 0.5x minus 4 is equal to minus 4 bracket open 2.4x plus 6. Okay. Now multiply. 3 5s are 15. So 1 decimal. So it becomes 1.5x minus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus plus minus 5 4s are 20, 2 in hand, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 1 decimal. So राइट साइड से 1 डेसिमल छोड़कर ये डेसिमल पॉइंट डालो और x प्लस माइनस माइनस 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now bring x to the left side. 1.5x minus becomes plus and this is now 12, isn't it? 12x is equal to minus 30. The minus 12 goes to the right side. It becomes plus 12. Now here when you add 12 plus 1.5, it becomes 13.5x is equal to minus plus difference बड़ा नंबर माइनस है 10 minus 2 is 8. अभी इधर 2, isn't it? 2 minus 1 is 1. So you got minus 18. Now x is equal to minus 18 upon 13.5. Okay, now it is a decimal in the denominator. So you have to multiply it by 10, multiply by 10. So you will get a 1 minus 180 upon 135. Now you can divide by 5. 5 2s are 10. 3 remains. 3 and 5 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15. 3 remains. 3 and 0 30. 5 6 are 30. Now 27 and 36. Which table? 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. You got minus 4 by 3. So x is equal to minus 4 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Now coming to verification. Now it is, if you take LHS, 0.5x minus 4 upon 2.4x plus 6. Okay, it is a 0.5x minus 4 upon 2.4x plus 6. Okay. Now we have to put the values. Okay, it is a 0.5 into minus 4 by 3 within the bracket minus 4 upon 2.4 into minus 4 by 3 within the bracket plus 6. Now when you multiply 3 and 5, no cutting. So you will be writing, it is a how much? 5 4s are 5 4s are 20. That means 2.0, 1 decimal, isn't it? Upon 3 minus 4 upon, now 24 and 3, 3 1s are, it is a 0.8. 3 how much are 2? 3 zeros are. Then 0.38 are 24. Now you multiply the plus and minus, minus 8 4s are 32, 1 decimal, so it will be 3.2. Now plus 6. Now in the numerator, it is the fraction. So LCM is 3. Now this is 2. Isn't it? 4, denominator is 1. 1 3s are 3. 3 4s are 12. In the denominator, minus 3.2 plus 6. Minus 3.2 plus 6. Now 6 means what? 6.0. Isn't it? Minus 3.2. This is 10 minus 2 is 8. Now here 5 minus 3 is 2. So you will be getting 2.8. Okay. It will be, sign is minus. Sign will be minus. Okay. No. Sign is plus. 6, no? 6 is bigger. So, plus. Okay, now coming to the numerator, it will be 2 minus 12. Sorry, here it is minus, here also minus, here also minus. Sorry, we have forgotten this minus. Minus 2.0. Here it will be minus 2. Minus 2 minus 12 becomes minus 14. Please be careful, okay? Here I have forgotten that sign. Minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14 by 3. And in the denominator it is 2.8. Okay, now we have to division means the reciprocal, isn't it? So it becomes minus 14 by 3 into 2.8. Now how it will be? 2.8 becomes 1 by 2.8. Yes or no? 1 by 2.8. Now 14 and 2.8, that is 28. 14 ones are, 14 twos are, but this becomes 0.2. 14 ones are, 14 zeros are 2, 28. 14 twos are 28. So you got minus, numerator it is 1 upon denominator 3 into 0, 2. That is 2 3s are 6. Denominator it is 0.6. 3 2s are 6, but first decimal 0.6. Now in the denominator it is a decimal. So remove the decimal. How? Multiply by 10. So you got minus 10 upon 6. Yes or no? One decimal to remove, you have to multiply by 10. Now it is 2 3s are 2 5s are. You got minus 5 by 3. Is it the RHS? LHS is equal to minus 5 by 3. RHS is equal to minus 5 by 3. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Clear? So, decimals, you have to be careful. To remove the decimal, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by whatever decimal place it is. Here also you have multiplied by 10. Here also you have to multiply by 10 so that the decimal has to be removed. Now coming to the 12th sum. Okay, 12th sum, it is x by 3 upon 2 by 5. X by 3 minus 2 by 5 upon 3 by 4 minus 2x is equal to 16 by 15. So multiply. So it is 15 bracket x by 3 minus 2 by 5. Here it is 16 into denominator is 3 by 4 minus 2x. Now when you multiply 15 and x by 3, 3 ones are 3 5s are. So in the numerator it will be 5x. Yes or no? 3 ones are 3 5s are. Now when you, this is plus, this is minus. 15 into 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are. Now 3 2s are 6. Did you understand? 5 ones are 5 3s are, 3 2s are 6. Now 16 into 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are, it is 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. Now minus 16 2s are 32x. Now bring x to the left side, 5x. 32x minus becomes plus is equal to 12. Minus 6 becomes plus 6. Now here it is 32 plus 5, 37x is equal to 12 plus 6 is 18. So x is equal to 18 upon 37. So you got x is equal to 18 upon 37. Now coming to the verification. LHS question is x by 3 minus 2 by 5 whole divided by 3 by 4 minus 2x. सबको समझ में आ गए? हर एक स्टेप बोल बोल कर मैं लिख रही हूँ. Hope everyone is understanding. Okay. Now x का वैल्यू कितना है? 18 by 37 divide by 3 minus 2 by 5 and in the denominator 3 by 4 minus 2 into 18 by 37. ओके अभी इधर आप लोग क्या करेंगे? 18 by 37 डिवाइड बाई 3 मतलब क्या है? इंटू 1 by 3 है ना. ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर को सॉल्व करने के वक्त 18 by 37 upon 3. So it will be like this, minus 2 by 5 upon 3 by 4 minus, अभी इधर कटिंग नहीं है, 18 2s are 36 upon 37. So here 3 1s are 3 6s are. Now it is 6 1s are 6 upon 37 minus 2 by 5. Denominator it is 3 by 4 minus 36 upon 37. अभी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 37 5s are 5 7s are, it is a 35, 5 3s are 15, 16 17 18. Numerator 13 5s are 5 6s are 30 minus 5 37s are 2 7s are 14, 1s are 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. In the denominator, the LCM for 37 into 4, 4 7s are 28, 2 in hand, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 148. In the numerator, it is 4 37s are. So multiply 37 into 3. 3 7s are 21, 2 in hand, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, minus 37 4s are. So 4 into 36, 4 6s are, it is a 4 6s are 24, 2 in hand, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. Okay. Now subtract, it is a minus 4 minus 0, 4, 7 minus 3, it will be 4 upon 185. Now in the denominator, this is bigger. So minus 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 1 upon 148. Now minus 44 upon 185, multiply by the reciprocal, minus 148 upon 33. 11 3s are, 11 4s are. Now it is 148. 148 matlab it is a 148 37 का टेबल में 37 4s are and 37 5s are. So it will be 16. 4 4s are 16, 5 3s are 15. You got 16 by 15. So LHS is equal to RHS also is equal to 16 by 15. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Clear? So the last calculation, you should be little bit careful. Table में देखो, it is a 148, it is 37 4s and this is 37 5s. So all the प्राइम नंबर के टेबल में जब भी आता है थोड़ा केयरफुल रहने का. So we have completed the first question, 12th sum. Hope everyone understood till here. Okay then, bye. Thank you.